Hello students, in our today's lecture of the mathematical expectation, we are starting with the illustration number 16. For the two independent variable x and y, ex is equals to 3, ey is equals to 2, vx that means variance of x is equals to 1.2, vy that means variance of the y is equals to 1. Find first ex plus y, ex minus y, e 2x plus 3y, then e 3x minus y, v 5x plus 2y, then v 3x minus 2y, and v x plus 2y plus 5. So what is given in this illustration 16? Illustration 16, it is given ex is equals to 3, then ey is equals to 2, then v of x is equals to 1.2 and vy is equals to 1. And x and y both are independent variable, right? So we have to calculate the value of ex plus y. As per our earlier lecture, we have seen the various properties like ax plus ab and independent random variable with ex plus y is equals to ex plus ey, right? So same way we have to do the calculation in the illustration number 16. Ex plus y, we can write like this: ex plus ey. Then ex value is 3 and ey value is 2. Answer is 5. So value of this function is 5. Then second, we have to find out the value of ex minus y. So we can write like this: ex minus ey. Ex minus ey, that means 3 minus 2, 1. Right? Third value, we have to find out e 2x plus 3y. We can solve this like this: 2 will in a common, ex plus 3 ey. So 2 into ex value is 3 plus 3 into ey value is 2. So 6 plus 6, answer is 12. Then fourth, we have to find out e 3x minus y. So we can write like this: 3ex minus ey. So 3 into ex value is 3 minus ey. Ey's value is 2. 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. So this is the value of e 3x minus y. Then fifth value we have to find out, that is v 5x plus 2y. So variance of 5x plus 2 variance of y. So here we have 2 variance of the 5 and 2. So 5 square, we have to do a variance. So it will come 5 square vx plus 2 square vy. 5 square 25. What is the value of vx? Value of vx is equals to 1.2 and vy is equals to 1. So 1.2 plus 2 square, 4 into 1. 12 into 1.2, 25 into 1.2. 30 plus 4 ones are 4, answer is 34. Sixth value we have to find out v 3x minus 2y. So this is the variance, so we have to square both of the constant number 3 and 2. So 3 square Vx minus 2 square Vy. Three square 9 into 1.2 minus 4 into 1. 9 into 1.2. 10.8 minus 4. 6.8. Sorry, minus 2 square will come plus 4. So here we will have to plus, that is 10.8 plus 4. Answer will come 14.8. Then last 7th point, we have to find out this Vx plus 2y plus 5. So we have to, here nothing is there with the x, so we suppose that is 1. So 1 square Vx plus 2 square Vy plus 5, that is a constant, and that have no variable, so we will not add this in our next step. So 1 square, 1 into Vx value 1.2 plus 4 into 1 plus 0. कांस्टेंट के साथ कोई भी वेरिएबल नहीं है, इसलिए वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड नहीं होगा. So 1.2 plus 4. Answer is 5.2. Simple enough. Then we are solving the illustration number 17. 5 dice are tossed simultaneously. Find the expected value of the total on the dice. Illustration number 17. 5 dice है, वो टॉस हो रहे हैं साइमल्टेनियसली, तो हम उसको डिनोट कर देते हैं इवेंट के साथ x1 x2. ऐसे ही 5 डाइज हैं, तो पहला डाइज x1, देन x2, देन x3, x4 एंड x5. तो 1 बाय 1 डाइज का एक्सपेक्टेशन का वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं और लास्ट में पांचों डाइज का हम टोटल कर लेंगे तो हमें मिल जाएगा. तो पहले हम x1 यानी कि पहले डाइज का करते हैं. पॉसिबिलिटीज क्या क्या हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is the probability? Probability is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. Right? And what is xi into pxi? So 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 by 6. Total is 21 by 6. So expected value of the only one dice. Expected value of the only one dice is 21 by 6. That means 7 by 2. ऐसे ही साइमल्टेनियसली सारे डाइस थ्रो हो रहे हैं, तो एक डाइस का एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू 7.2 आया. सेम पांचों डाइस का भी एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू क्या आएगा? 7/2 ही आएगा. सो एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ द वन डाइस प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ द सेकेंड, देन एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ द थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ and 6th. Sorry, only 5 dice थे. So 7/2 plus 7/2 plus 7/2 plus 7/2 plus 7/2. Answer will come 35/2. Understood? अब हम सॉल्व करते हैं illustration number 18. The following is the distribution of the student of the class according to their age. Age 18, 90, 20, 21 and 22. Total is 100. Number of student 38, 42, 12, 4, 4. A student is selected at random from the class. फाइंड हिज एक्सपेक्टेड एज। दिया क्या गया है, XI एज दी गई है 18, 90, 20, 21, 22। नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दिए गए हैं 38, 42, 12, 4, 4 अपॉन 100। दैट मीन्स ये XI की क्या दी गई है, फ्रीक्वेंसी दी गई है, राइट। उसके हिसाब से हमें PXI यानी कि प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी है टू गेट सिलेक्ट। सो आउट ऑफ 38 स्टूडेंट, सॉरी आउट ऑफ 100 students, 38 students are age of the 18. So how can we select? So 38 by 100. Why? 38 C1 upon 100 C1. So आंसर आएगा 38 by 100. That means 0.38. Similarly 42 by 100. 0.42, then 12 by 100, that is 0.12, then 4 by 100, that is 0.04, and again 4 by 100, that is 0.04। वो हमारा क्या हो गया, PXI हो गया। हमें फाइंड करना है XI into PXI, that is 18 into 0.38, 6.84, 19 into 0.42, 7.98, then 20 into 0.12, 2.40, then 21 into 0.04, 0.84, then 22 into 0.04, 0.88. Let's make it total 6.84 plus 7.98 plus 2.4 plus 0.84 plus 0.88, 18.94. So expected value is equals to 18.90. Now we are solving the illustration number 20. The different value of the two variable x and y along with their probabilities are given in the following table. Find EX, EY, EX plus y, EXY, VX, VY and covariance of XY. The XI is given 1, 2, 3 and the probability is total of the X. So X value is 1, 2, 3 and their probability will be 0.3, 0.4 and 0.3. This is Y 1, 2, 3 and the probability is 0.3, 0.4 and 0.3. So first we are finding the expected value of the X. So for the find it out the expected value of the X, we will need XI, that is 1, 2, 3. Then we will need PXI, that is given 0.3, 0.4, 0.3. The expected value of the XI is equals to PXI, that is 0.3, 0.8 and 0.9. Let's make a total 0.3, 0.8 plus 0.9. It will come 2. So expected value of the X is equals to 2. Right? Now we have to find out the EY. So YI is equals to 1, 2 and 3. Then PYI, that is 0.3, 0.4, 0.3. So value will be same. So answer also will come same. So YI into PYI, that is 0.3, 0.8 and 0.9, that is 2. So expected value of the y is equals to 2. अब हमें फाइंड करना है e x plus y. e x plus y. As you all know, how can we write like this? e x plus e y. That is, e x value is 2 and e y value is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So e x plus y is equals to 4. Now the second thing, we have to find out e x into y. e x y. So for the e x y we can write like this: e x into e y, that is 2 into 2, that will come 4. So e x y is equals to 4. Then we have to find out the vx. We have to find out the vx. What do you mean by the vx? Vx means variance of the x. What is the formula of the variance of the x? Is equals to e x square minus e x whole square. So first we have to find out the e x square, right? And for the finding out the e x square, we have to find out sigma xi square into pxi. So we have to find out the sigma xi square into pxi. So let's find out. In this column, xi square, that is 149. Then xi square into pxi, that is 1 into 0.3, 0.3, 4 into 0.4, 1.6, and 0.3 into 9, it is 2.7. What is the total? 4.6. Total is 4.6. So sigma xi square into ex is equals to 4.6. That means ex square is equals to 4.6. So here we will write 4.6 minus sigma x square. Sigma x square is 2's whole square. That is 4.6 minus 4. Answer will come 0.6. So Vx is equals to 0.6. Now the next value we have to find out, that is Vy. Vy means variance of the y variable. That is, variance is equals to Ey square minus Ey whole square. So first again we have to find out the Ey square. So what is the formula of the Ey square? Is equals to sigma yi square into pyi. Right? So again we have to find out in this yi square, that is 149. So yi square into pyi, the same will be there, that is 0.3, 4 into 0.4, 1.6 and 2.7. Total is 4.6. So again 4.6 minus 2 square, 4.6 minus 4, answer is 0.6, that is Vy. And last we have to find out the covariance of xy. Formula of the covariance of xy is equals to exy minus ex into ey. So exy is equals to 4. So we will write 4 minus ex is equals to 2 and ey is equals to 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So covariance of xy is equals to 0. And we have seen this rules that covariance of x and y is equals to 0, then the x and y are independent variables. So we can write like this: here the x and y both are two independent variables, right? Now we are solving the last illustration number 21. The probability distribution of the random variable is follow. Find the value of k, e x plus 3, variance of 2x plus 3. First we have to find out the value of the k. We know that the total of the probability will be 1. So on the basis of that we have to find out the value of the k. Then we will find the distribution. And then we will find e x plus 3 and v 2x plus 3. So let's get started. K plus 0.2 plus 0.1 plus k plus 0.05 plus 0.05 is equals to 1. So sigma pxi is equals to 1. So that is total of all the probability will always come 1. So let's total it. 2k plus 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.05 plus 0.05, that is 0.4. 0.4 is equals to 1. Here it's a plus. When it comes this side it will become minus. So 2k is equals to 1 minus 0.6. It will come 0.6. That is k is equals to 0.6 divided by 2. That is k will be 0.3. K will be 0.3. Now we have a distribution like this. Xi is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pxi is equals to, first is k. K means 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. Then again k, that is 0.3. 0.05 and 0.05. We have to find out the ex plus x plus 3. So we need the expected value of the x. So finding out the expected value, we have to find out the xi into pxi. That is 0, 0.2, 0.1, 0.9 and 4 into 0.05, that is 0.2, then 5 into 0.05, that is 0.25. Let's make a total. 0.2, 0.2, 0.9, 0.2, 0.25, that is 1.75. So expected value is equals to sigma xi into pxi, that is 1.75. We have to find out the second term is ex plus 3, that is ex plus e3. Ex is equals to 1.75 plus e, if the variable is a constant, then ek is equals to k, where the k is a constant, the answer will be the constant amount. So here the answer is 3. So 1.75 plus 3, it will come 4.75. Now we have to find out the second thing, that is v 2x plus 3. Then it is 2vx plus v3, right? So we have to find out the variance of the x variable. So first let's find out the variance of the x variable. So for the finding out the variance, we need xi square and xi square into pxi. Let's multiply with the pxi. (16 into 0.05), that is 0.8, and 0.3 sorry 1.25. Let's make it total. 0.2, 0.4, 2.7, 0.8, 1.25, 5.35. That is Vx is equals to sigma xi square into Pxi, that is 5.35. So variance is equals to 2 into 5.35. Really sorry. Variance is equals to Ex square minus Ex whole square. So Ex square will come 5.35 minus Ex square. Ex is 4.75 whole square. Sorry, 1.75 whole square. So 1.75 whole square, answer will come 3.0625 minus 5.35. 2.2875. That is Vx. Now we have to find out V 2x plus 3. That is variance of the two will 2 variance, that is 2 square Vx plus variance of the 3. Variance of the 3 will always come 0, right? So 0 plus 2 square 4 into Vx. Vx is 2.2875. Answer is 9.15 plus 0. Answer is 9.15. Understood? Thank you.